For this problem, we are going to perform the row operation to form a new row 2. And the row operation is to multiply row 1 by -2 and then add that to row 2. So let's make a new matrix and show this row operation. So I'm going to have -2 times my row 1 entry, which is a 1, and then add that to my row 2, which is 2. And then my next entry will be -2 times my row 1 entry, which is -3, and then add that to the row 2 entry. And then the next one is the same thing. I'm going to have -2 times -2, and then add that to 8. And the top row of my matrix will remain the same. So I'm going to have 1, -3, and -2. And my answer, or my final matrix, will be 1, -3, and -2. And we just need to simplify each of those bottom entries in row 2. So -2 times 1 is -2, plus 2 is 0. -2 times -3 is +6, minus 4 is 2. And lastly, -2 times -2 is +4, plus 8 is 12. So this is our new matrix performing the row operation illustrated at the beginning of the problem. We're going to perform a row operation to get a new row 2 in our matrix here. Our row operation is going to be to multiply row 2 by 1/2. So let's make a new matrix here and go 1/2 times 0, and then 1/2 times 2, and 1/2 times 12. Keeping row 1 the same, we'll have 1, -3, and -2. Now let's do the multiplication, and we'll have 0, 1, and 6. Keeping the top row the same again, we'll have 1, -3, and -2. So we performed the row operation, which gave us a new row 2. It told us to multiply 1/2 to row 2, which gave us this final matrix.